Have you seen all those little shopping links popping up on your TikTok feed? Well, that's TikTok Shop, and trust me, it is absolutely exploding. So today, we're going to break down exactly how you can tap into this gold rush using the affiliate model. The best part, no inventory, no shipping. Your only job is to create content. Let's get into it.
First things first, let's just talk about the sheer scale of this. That number on your screen, $43 million, that is the estimated amount of money TikTok Shop is making in sales every single day. The amount of commerce happening inside this app is just staggering, and it's created this massive window of opportunity.
And look, this isn't some slow-moving trend. We're talking about explosive growth. In just 3 short years, TikTok Shop has basically become as big as a giant like eBay. This is a real shift in how social media and e-commerce work together, and believe me, the time to get in on it is right now.
So here's our roadmap for the next few minutes. We're going to start with why this is such a gold rush. Then we'll look at the 2 main ways you can profit. After that, it's all action. Your setup guide, how to pick products that'll actually sell, the secrets to creating videos that convert, and finally, how to post, link, and, most importantly, get paid.
Okay, first up, let's start at the beginning. Before we talk about making money with it, we need to be clear on what TikTok Shop actually is. So here's the absolute key. TikTok Shop isn't some separate app you have to download. Nope, it is built right into the feed you're already scrolling through for hours. And that integration is genius because it taps directly into our impulse buy brains. You see something cool, you tap the link, and you can buy it in seconds without ever leaving the app. It's frictionless. All right, so you want a piece of that $43 million a day pie. The big question is, how do you actually do it? Well, you've really got 2 main paths you can go down. So here are your 2 options. On one hand, you could sell your own product. Deal with inventory, shipping, all that stuff. The potential margins are higher, for sure, but so is the work. But on the other hand, you've got the affiliate model, which is what we're focusing on today. Here, you don't need any inventory. It's super low risk to start. Your only job is to make videos. For anyone just starting out, it's honestly a no-brainer.
Okay, let's get into the practical stuff. You might think setting up an affiliate account is going to be complicated, but it's actually surprisingly simple. Let me just walk you through the exact steps.
I mean, look how easy this is. You just go to their creator website, hit Join Now, you scan a little QR code with your phone, and then you just follow the instructions on the screen. Seriously, that's it. In a couple of minutes, you can have your affiliate account linked up and ready to roll. Now we're at what is probably the most crucial step, choosing what to actually promote. Because you can make the greatest video in the world, but if you're promoting a product nobody wants, well, you're just not going to make any money.
So what's the secret sauce here? What is it about certain products that just makes them pop off in this super fast-paced visual world? Well, it usually comes down to a handful of key things.
Think of this as your cheat sheet. You're looking for stuff that's an easy impulse buy. Not too expensive. It should solve a really obvious problem and have a clear wow factor on camera. And here's a huge tip. Check if there are already viral videos for that product. If there are, that's a massive green flag that people already want it. Oh, and here is a game-changing pro tip. Once you add a product to your personal showcase, you can often order a sample. Now, you might have to pay for it up front, but a lot of sellers will actually refund you once you sell a few units. This means you can get the actual products in your hands to make awesome, authentic videos for free, basically. So you've got your account set up, you've picked your product. Now for the fun part. It's time to make the videos that are actually going to convince people to click that little orange button.
Honestly, this quote just nails it. Don't overthink this part. The entire business model just boils down to you, your phone, and making videos consistently. That is your one and only job.
And you want to know the best part? You do not need a fancy camera or a professional editing suite. In fact, it's the opposite. Those super polished, overly produced videos often do worse on TikTok. What the algorithm loves is authenticity and, above all else, consistency. Just aim to get 1 or 2 simple videos out every single day.
So style number 1 is the most direct approach. It's just you and the product. You just film yourself using it, show off its features, and explain why you think it's so cool or useful. It's personal, it's simple, and it's incredibly effective.
Now, this next style is almost laughably easy, but it works so well. All you do is find another viral video that features a product you're promoting, and you just film your reaction to it in a split screen. You don't even have to say a word. You're basically borrowing that other video's viral power to drive sales. It's brilliant. And the third style is the classic demo. This could be a talking head video where you're explaining the product to the camera, or it could just be a close-up of your hands unboxing and using it while you do a voiceover. It's super focused, really informative, and great for products that need a little explaining. Okay, you did it. You made the video. Now for that final, crucial step, getting it posted with your link so you can actually get paid for your work.
And just look at how straightforward this last part is. Right before you post, you just tap the Add Link button, select Product, and then pick the item right from your showcase. You hit Post, and that little shopping link appears on your video automatically. That's it.
And this right here, this is the real beauty of the whole affiliate system. The second you hit that post button, your job is done. You don't have to worry about tracking sales, shipping products, or dealing with customers. TikTok handles all of that messy back-end stuff and just pays you your commission. All you do is focus on making the next video. So let's just boil this all down one more time. The opportunity here is massive. The affiliate model is absolutely perfect for beginners because it's so low risk. Your one and only job is making simple, consistent content. And really, the best part is that there's absolutely nothing stopping you from starting this today.
So there you have it. The tools are there, the strategy is surprisingly simple, and a huge audience is waiting. So the only question left to ask is, what's your first viral product going to be?